Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is December 11th, 2014. Wanted to go over our trading today. There was really nothing on the ES to trade today. This was the whole morning when we traded. The market opened at 9:30 and then went straight up with no retracements. And now later in the afternoon, this would be a nice short. Well, no, really nothing really much on the ES except that it's coming down. Now on the Russell today, I missed this long. This is at 9:38. We had to move up, retracement, continuation long, and that was a very, very big trade to the upside. This is the one trade that I've been fretting over, was 32 ticks to the upside. And the Russell just kind of sidestepped around, but we got that trade, got this trade. The break, the retracement down, the C candle right off of the 50, 50's green, 15 is green, and we're trading with bias, and we went up for 38 ticks. Then, again, break, retracement, trading right off the 50, 50's green, 15's green, trading with bias, up for 7 ticks. I think that was it for the Russell for the day. Let's see what else we got today. Really nothing. The Russell's chopping lower, obviously. But, well, here's a signal. And a move low, lower, right here. Let's see what the MA diff is. We want that MA diff to be 18 or less. It's a little oversold. That might be a tough short. So really nothing stellar. Let's see what the MA diff is here. $22. Tough shorts, but we caught two really, really nice trades on the Russell. One for 7 and one for 38. And on crude, which is now below $60 a barrel, and looks like it's going to be given away free of charge shortly. Now here was the first trade. We had the break, the retracement, up. At the time, there was no pivot here. The move just went nowhere. Came back, hit our stop of -7. Was a little bit off the 15. Well, it was 4. It just really looked like it was going to be a nice continuation short, and it went nowhere. So that was a loser. Then we had the break and the retracement, but we had multiple areas of resistance to the upside because we had no bias. So I didn't take both of these retracements. A lot of people in the room did. I elected not to. We had really nothing here. Unfortunately, couldn't catch this move to the upside. There was our move, our break, our retracement with bias for 9. I took this out at -3. This is a very risky trade without bias. And then we had the break. Retracement. We went up for 8. And that was it for crude. So we got a bunch of very nice trades on crude. And crude just has chopped lower. Real beautiful trade right here. Look at that trade. Would it come back against you? Wouldn't have stopped you out. Would have got this nice move to the downside. Really nice trade. I just want to see what the major, how much this trade came back against you. Came back 6, our stop is 7. Never would have stopped you out. Now finally, gold, and then I'll show you our results for the day. Now gold, I just missed some just amazingly good trades, which have given me a small bellyache. Now I took this break and retracement down. This wasn't too tight to a pivot. This was a bad trade, and I lost 7 ticks on it. But look at that. Look at this entry, which I missed. Absolutely gorgeous for a huge winner. Can't afford to miss these. 49 ticks. Same thing here. Look at that. Now this was tight to a pivot, not this one. Another gigantic winner. I just missed. Was watching the Russell, the ES, and crude for 18. So I missed a 49 tick move and an 18 tick move on gold. And now this is after we've closed and there was nothing else. So those gigantic moves on gold I just did not catch. And those are too lucrative to miss. So for the day, one of the losers was just a perfect trade. It just did not succeed. The other loser I had today was just not a good trade. Now let me find. Here we go. For the day, we had 7 trades, 4 winners and 3 losers. On crude oil, we had +9, +8, -7, and -3. On the Russell, we had +38, +7. And gold, we had the -7. Net ticks was 46. Our net equity was $120. The Auto Trader had 1 win, one trade, 1 win for $300. I had 1 bad trade that I took, 1 clean loser that just didn't work. And I missed a couple of huge winners on gold, or we would have had a much higher net equity. But we're still pushing forward. We've had net equity positive every single day this week. And, we're looking for that $1,000 week above and beyond commissions to get us to that $50,000 a year mark. And the markets have not been easy to trade, but we've been making money every day. Now, you're welcome to come in for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com, and there you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our daily net equity for the Auto Trader, and a link for our free trial. And you can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, although there is a contact us page on the homepage of our website, or you can phone us at 1-855-765-6681. So looking forward to seeing everybody in the room. Let's make some money together, okay? And everybody have a wonderful day.